So, Shaughnessy
That was
Brown.
funny.
Yeah,
Okay.
what are you wearing?
I am wearing Saint Laurent jacket.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves Saint Laurent.
But it's now Saint Laurent, isn't it?
Saint Laurent.
You've got freaking...
Oh, did it?
It was an outrage. Eddie Slimane took Yves out of Saint Laurent.
Yeah,
Yeah, I remember.
I actually read something about that, but I just don't really keep up with it too much.
Alright, fair enough.
Anyway.
It's a freaking nice blazer. It's classic.
Thank you. I feel clean.
It's so
My
so
bag is McQueen.
clean. Yes.
Beautiful
Alexander
McQueen.
Okay, this is all very expensive stuff.
Yes. My socks are
Black.
black.
Cotton.
Cotton.
What make? I only care about the brands.
So this is 100,000 thread.
Shit.
And it's just touch it, feel it. How good is that?
What about the jeans?
So,
they're not jeans. They're sort of...
They're kind of just cozy pants. I actually got these from a friend of mine that let me borrow them, but now I get to keep them. So I'm not too sure where these are from.
Is that a sort of velour-y kind of wool?
It is a little bit. Although I don't eat meat, so I didn't cut this guy.
Too hot for this weather, I would suggest.
Yeah, it is a bit. It's pretty warm. But I didn't... the weather right now, I just don't know what it's going to be like.
That's
So
true.
I'm kind of...
Your t-shirt?
Atelier, they actually just sent me this white tee and like a couple hoodies.
Do you get sent freebies?
I do, and I'm very thankful for them.
I love that.
And they sent me some of these jewels, like whatever. I was just like, ooh,
Yeah.
I just got them. Let me wear them.
Do you have tattoos on your body?
I have some in my hands.
And that's it?
I have
The
some.
rest of you is...
I'm pretty clean, yeah. Until I might want to get something soon though. I just don't know what.
Crucifix? No, it's not.
No, it's a knife. Yeah.
Is that symbolic? Of your danger?
It's not really, no, my danger, no. It's just, I just like daggers, knives. I have a knife, like a proper knife. I like.
Oh, you like that stuff?
Yeah, I like just
Is that
like
boys
strong
stuff?
things. Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Like a good knife is always good to have.
Yeah, I think so.
What about your shoes?
My shoes are Melissa. She gave me these.
Can we see the buckle?
It's a full-blown, about
Buckle,
an inch, 2 inches deep.
It's a big old one.
Yeah, going into it. But yeah, they're very
Is that
nice.
very expensive too?
They were pretty pricey from her website, but she sent them to me as well. I'm very happy for that.
Do you spend a budget on? Do you have a budget for spending on clothes? Is that really important?
No,
Are
my
you a
budget-
splurger or are you quite frugal?
No, I'm very frugal. The only thing that I will spend money on is maybe some good undergarments.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh.
You put
Let's
it,
talk about
you
that.
put it on the underwear. I love that.
Yes.
That's so cool.
But no, I don't really. I'll piece things together. I'll rip some stuff up and I'll kind of put jewelry together. Like, and nothing needs to be too perfect. It's like, what's the point? Make it your own, you know?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Shaughnessy, that's where we'll probably edit.
Okay, cool.
Make it your own. I like that.
Edit. Cut.
Wicked.